Are you ready to turn your next dream vacation into a reality? Discover and effortlessly book your perfect hotel with just a few clicks. Visit Hotelgiftcard. Locate and press the Book a Hotel button on the top left of the homepage. Enter your desired destination, select your check-in and check-out dates, and specify the number of guests. Then, simply click on Search Hotels to find all available options. Choose a hotel that suits your preferences. Check for details such as amenities, prices, and reviews. Select your room type and proceed by clicking Select Room. Review all the important information and move on to our reserve. Enter your 19-digit gift card number and PIN code, then click Redeem Gift Card. Add any discount codes and click to finalize. If the Hotel Gift Card doesn't cover the full amount, you can easily pay the remaining balance using one of the available payment methods. Confirm and agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, click Place Reservation. You will receive your booking confirmation via email. Congratulations! You've just booked your trip with Hotelgiftcard. Get ready for a carefree and comfortable stay. Thank you, and enjoy your overnight adventure.